Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today we are doing Fetri Toto. This is a quick way of doing okra stew and it's done by the Oats in Ghana. I tell you, it is so easy to make and it's very delicious. Look at how I enjoy this. So if you're new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Let's do this. So guys, to start, I have my ingredients. I have some momoni. I have this recipe on my channel, so I'll link that below in the description box. I have some okra, some garlic, some Scotch bonnet. And the next thing I do is just roast them a little bit in my griddle pan. So next I want to grind my Scotch bonnet, so I'm using my earthenware pot, as you can see here. All right, and I'm going to add some chopped onions. Guys, this makes it so delicious. Yes, I tell you, it's very easy and it's so good. So you have to try this recipe. I add a little bit of salt to it. The salt helped me to grind it quite quickly. Okay, so I added some salt, and then the next bit is to cook my okra. So simple. Okra doesn't take long to cook, so just come along with me, guys. And the next thing, I'm adding some garlic. All right, I'll put all the measurements in the description box. All right, and all the ingredients. And also I'm adding just my tomatoes. I use only 1 tomato, and this is my roasted momoni. Okay, yeah, you just, if you want to know how to do it, I'll put them all down below for you guys. But guys, you have to try this. It's so easy and it's delicious. The last bit is to just try and add my okra. So guys, stay with me, and if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up. Okay, so guys, all the grinding is done. I'm using baked mackerel. I have this recipe on my channel, so I'll link it below. It's easy to do and it's so delicious. Okay, this is what I'm using for my okra stew. I need palm oil. Okay, so I put some palm oil on fire, and I'm using Koobi. The Koobi makes the palm oil taste amazing, so that's why I fry the Koobi in the palm oil. I have the recipe of the Koobi too on my channel, okay, and I'll put it down below in the description box for you. So guys, yeah, that is so easy to do. I'll fry it nicely. I take it out, and then I'm going to add some chopped onions to it, and that's it. It's very easy recipe. Right guys, as you can see, my Fetri Toto is done. It tastes amazing. It smells so good, guys. I'm adding some Oats Banku. Okay, I have that recipe as well. I will link it below. So guys, this is the best okra stew ever. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Don't forget to share. Bye.